Hi, this is V from Make Money Online, and today I'll give you a full guided tour of feature points so that you can decide whether it is worth your time or not. If this is the first time you have come to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update about tips and tricks on how to make money online. Let's jump into the video. So first of all, I want to tell you even who can join this platform. So this platform is generally available in more or less all countries. Maybe there are few countries where it's not available, but generally it's available in more or less all countries. So we can say that it is available worldwide. That is first thing. Okay, so now let's talk about the earning opportunities which we have on this platform. So I'll show you around. As you can see, the first important thing you need to note about this platform is that it does have a website as well as an Android and iOS app. There are certain earning features which are only available on app, which I will talk through later. So first let me show you the website. As you can see, you can earn the points by surveys, and as you can see, there are a lot of surveys available. Like for 12 minutes I can complete this survey and I'll get 1692 points. And there are other surveys also available, like Polefish is there, Peanut Labs is there, and then you have Make Your Voice Heard, and it already shows you like how many points you are going to get when you complete the survey. That is the first way of earning on this platform. And if I show you further, then you have offers as well, and the offers generally depend on country to country. There might be certain countries which will be having more offers, there might be some countries which are having less offers, so that's how it is, but generally they do have good options for all countries. Okay, so let's talk about this instant win contest. So what happens is, whenever we are completing an offer, like surveys, any apps we are installing or any cashback we are going, so what we get is we can get one token for every 20 points which we are earning, and which will automatically make us enter in the contest. So that's how it is, and you can earn some really nice rewards from here, like instant win contest, scratch to win 50,000 points instantly, and there are a lot of offers. And as you can see that they have a link that if you want this app on Google Play, you can click on this, or you want on App Store, you can click here. And as you can see, download apps. So as you can see that we can just try some few apps and we'll earn, like for example 250 points if you're using it on mobile, which is a decent option. And I would also like to tell you that they generally have an offer on their mobile app that if you are playing a certain game, you just have to install that game, and for each minute you are playing you will receive some points, which is actually a very nice reward. And on their app you also have an option to watch videos and earn there. So if you like watching videos and you want to make some extra cash using watching videos, then you can install their app, and this is 100% free, legit way to make some extra cash online. Also, if you share this website with your friends, you'll get 50% of their lifetime earnings, and your friend will also receive 50 points, which is a great start. And now let's talk about the earning opportunities, like payout methods which they offer. So as you can see, they have a lot of gift cards available. Amazon, Flipkart, again this depends on country wise. For some other country there might be some more offers. As you can see, as for PayPal, you can have $5. So if you see, only 3000 points are required to get $5 PayPal reward, which is very nice and which is a very low threshold, because as you can see that even each survey is worth like 1692 points. So maybe if we can complete just 2 surveys, then we can cash out for $5. Also we have Bitcoin as an option to have that. If you want a direct on 10 gift card, then there are 6000 points required. Okay, so all in all, feature points is a very decent way to make some side cash extra online, but you need to join with the right expectation. It's not gonna make you rich, it's not gonna make a full-time income for you. It's just a site by source for you, and also you can reach out to support in case you need. You can report a problem to them, and I'll leave a link in description for both the app as well as the website. So if you want to join, you can join, and if there are any questions, you can let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.